Hello, friends! Welcome to the Chirping Village. I hope you're all doing well. Let us begin with today's video that's nothing but making a simple DIY herbal tea with Mimosa pudica, which is Chewy Mui or Touch Me Not plant. I hope you watched our last video in which we went on a morning walk and hunted for some medicinal plants, and we found some great treasures of Indian medicine, one of which is Mimosa pudica. After a basic research, I have found that one of the easiest and effective ways to use this plant is for its anti-inflammatory properties. And the simplest recipe you can make with this is a herbal tea. Then why wait? Let's get started. The first step is to obviously pick the leaves. We can cut the stem directly, but one has to be very careful while handling this plant because it has thorns all over its stem. So we can, the better thing would be to use a cutter. I love how plants which are green when they are open turn into a tender maroon color when they get closed. Wash the leaves thoroughly and separate them from its stem. Add a glass of water. If you want, you can add jaggery, but I'm not adding it. Jaggery is only for the purpose of sweetening our tea. I don't think the Mimosa pudica herbal tea is so bitter that you have to add jaggery. The purpose of jaggery is only to sweeten our tea. If you're someone who does not even like a pinch of bitterness, then you can go for it. But if you're okay with it, I would suggest you leave it out. Put this on the stove and boil it for 10 minutes. There you go, our light, beautiful Touch Me Not tea is ready. Because this tea is very light, meaning we did not grind it into a paste or we are not taking it in a concentrated form, this does not have any side effects. Try this and let me know in the comment section below how it turned out for you. That's all for today. Do subscribe to The Chirping Village for more information about the good old village lifestyle. Lots of love to all the awesome people out there. Have a great day. Bye-bye.